overview of the course, that is the copywriting and content writing course. So, what are we going to cover here? In the overview of the course, we'll look at the foundations of writing. So, when we talk of the foundations of writing, we look at the things that you need to know about generally when it comes to writing. You understand, okay, this and this is what I need to know if I want to become a good writer. You understand? So, we also look at the copywriting techniques. Like I said, when it comes to writing or when it comes to copywriting and content writing, they're a bit different, like very different. You understand? Like not totally different like that, but you understand some certain things that you need to know about copywriting. And while when it comes to content writing, we look at the things that makes up content writing. So we see content writing strategies, we look at copywriting techniques, we look at advanced tips and career building advices that you need in order to be able to become a good writer. You understand? And also another thing we'll be looking at is what will you gain by following up with this course. What will you gain? What skill are you going to gain? You get a writing persuasive copy skill. Like you learn how to be able to write persuasive copies. That is for you if you really want to sell products, if you really want to use copies to sell products. So you'll be able to learn this particular way of writing, which is writing persuasive copies. And because persuasive copies are those kinds of copies that helps you to sell products. I don't know if you get that. So also you learn how to create engaging content. So this is another thing that you're going to be gaining. This is another thing you gain by following up with this course and making sure you put it into practice, because I want this course to be something practical. It's not something that you just have to listen to and you just wave it off. No, it's something you just have to do practically. And then also you understand SEO and audience psychology. Well, I'm not going to show you broad or let's say totally everything that has to do with SEO, but I will help you to understand as a writer things that you need to know. SEO stands for search engine optimization. You understand? But then there are some certain things you need to know if you want to become a good content writer. There are some certain things you need to know about SEO. So those are the things like we'll call it basics, you understand, but you really need to know it as a writer. So we'll cover those areas too. And the last but not the least is the audience psychology. Now, learning about audience psychology is where you'll be able to understand how buyers buy some certain things, how people, interact with contents, how people get to say, okay, this content is much more okay, this one is engaging, this one is informative, this one is transactional, and those kind of all those kind of things. So this is where we understand the psychology behind what our readers is going to think about our content. I don't know if you get that. So that's the things these are the kind of skills you are going to be able to gain from this course. Now, when you come to the other one, which is who is this course for? Who is the course for? Now, the course is mainly for you if you're a business person. Let me start with that. If you're a business person, no matter the type of business you are doing, you really need this course. Why? You might be asking the question, I'm not going to be writing, I don't like writing. Yes, it's true, you might not like writing as a business person, but you have to understand when, even if you need to hire someone to write for you or someone to write for a business, you need to understand some certain things so that when the person writes, you'll be like, okay, this one is very, very nice, or this one is not really up to what I expect. You understand the thing there. So that's just why, as a business person, this course is for you, because everything that has to do business starts with first writing. You want to sell a product, it starts with writing. You see big brands, Coca-Cola and the rest of them, all of them has to start with writing. Everything they do. So which means that's to say that it is very, very necessary. I don't know if you get that. It's very, very necessary. So this course is for you if you're a business person. Also, this course is for you if you're a type that loves writing, like, but you don't really know how to structure it. You don't know how to, organize it in a way that, people can really understand the message that you're trying to convey. That this course is for you also. So another person this course is for is you that wants to really, really learn a skill. You want to acquire a skill. So this course is for you too. You can be able to learn how to become a copywriter or how to become a content writer. So any of these two is very, very valuable today. I'm honest with you. In as much as we have AI, these two are still much valuable because people really want to write, people really want to read experiences. And if you can be able to write, write very well, and people really want to engage with you. So these are the people that will really, really need this course. Also, You might need this course if you're the type that wants to make money online. Definitely you need this course also. So these are the things that you just have to understand about the cost overview. So with that being said, we'll get right to look at more of the things that we'll be discussing in this course.